Hello friends, welcome back to Ulinks gardening channel. Today I am going to talk about how to care your impatiens plants. Let me talk about some introduction about the impatiens flowers. The impatiens flowers are bright and cheerful annuals that can light up any dark or shady part of your yard. Growing impatiens is quite easy, but there are few things to grow about impatiens to care. Let's take a look how to plant and how to care the impatiens plants. Let's start. Let's start with planting of impatiens. Plant impatiens transplants after the last spring frost. Impatiens prefers humus-rich, moist and well-drained soil. Make sure the plant have some shelter from the wind. The closer impatiens plants are, the taller they will grow. So space accordingly, because the impatiens plants can grow anywhere between 6 to 30 inch tall. For flower buds, plant 8 to 12 inch apart so that the plant will stay low to the ground. You can mix in compost or a slow release fertilizer before transplanting to help the plants. If you have impatiens, the plant in container like window box, use a sterile or soilless growing mixture to ensure the better drainage for the plant. Let's talk about the caring of your impatiens plant. Caring impatient plants. The most important thing to remember about impatiens plants is to water them regularly. Keep them moist but not too wet. If the plant dry out, they will lose their leaves. If you overwater the plants, this could encourage fungal diseases. So remember, the container plant will need more water. I will give you a growing tip for the impatiens plants. When to plant? Set out the transplants in early spring or sow seed indoor 8 to 10 weeks before your last frost date. They are very sensitive to cold temperature, so be sure the threat of frost has passed and the soil has warmed up to putting them in the ground. Where to plant? In fertile, well-drained soil enriched with organic matter. Plant to medium shade. Keep them out of direct sunlight. The New Guinea impatiens will tolerate more sun if you keep their root moist.